Good morning, y'all. It is Monday, January 8th, 2024. We are here at Chattahoochee Pointe Park in Johns Creek, Georgia. It's about 40 degrees outside, bright sunshiny day. Should be a nice little walk. Looking at the map, this is just a simple loop. Doesn't look like there's too many opportunities to get off the main trail. Now that I'm here, the main trail looks pretty well, not paved, but it's a gravel trail, at least at this section of it. So it's gonna be an easy walk. Let's get going.
it's, you know,
So that was Chattahoochee Point Trail in Johns Creek, Georgia. It was a nice day, a little bit windy, a little chilly to start out, but I'm warmed up now. About 3.5 miles. I forgot to start my GPS tracker again, so no map. Honestly, it was kind of a boring trail. I probably won't do this one again, or wouldn't do this one again, even if I had the option. It's very flat. It is gravel, the whole trail, except for an inexplicable wooden bridge trail section that just runs alongside of the gravel trail. I don't know why that even exists. Seems like a waste of money, to be honest, but it's there. Yeah, not a great trail. Real boring. Very few opportunities to get off the main path. Only a handful of spots that I was able to even see the Chattahoochee River, which was kind of one of the reasons I chose this particular path, because a good section of it runs right along the side of the river, but you can't see the river from the trail. So that's the way it goes sometimes. Truckers, if you're dropping your trailer somewhere in the area and have a few hours and want to get a quick walk in, it would be easy to bobtail into this place. There's plenty of room in the parking lot. It's a gravel lot, but it's compressed gravel, so you won't have any troubles getting in or out if you're bobtail. But don't bring a trailer in here. It's a no-no road for the trailers. But if you're dropping a load or picking up a load in the area and are able to drop your trailer while you're waiting, you can probably get over here, get in and out of here pretty quick while you're waiting. So that said, yeah, that's pretty much it. If you liked this video or my other videos, make sure you like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below if you've got suggestions for other places to go or something else that you want to see while I make these videos. I'm happy to oblige. Thanks for watching.